I hope screen is visible to all. It is visible now.
Yes, sir.
So at your end, you can zoom your mobile screen, okay, so that you can easily follow the screen. Okay. So go for in the previous class we had an example 3 about decimation in time 8-point DFT calculation. Okay. Radix 2 FFT algorithm for computation of DFT. The method it is decimation frequency, that is DI of FFT. So in the question paper, carefully you have to see the question whether they are asking DIT or DIF. So the difference is only F and T. Okay, DIT and DIF. So decimation in time, decimation frequency, and the lengthy statement. So perform the 8-point DIT computation DFT using DIT FFT ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಥವಾ DIF FFT. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So in DIT FFT, that is decimation in time, how the concept was. So what we have, whatever the computation of DFT is there, okay, that is x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 x of n into Gödel factor. Okay, that is the computation of DFT. Okay, since model number 1. So what we have done in DIT FFT, we just segmented, okay, 2 parts. What is that part? We just perform the computation of DFT only for even elements of x of n and only odd elements of x of n. Means the summation is divided into 2 parts, 2 halves. Okay, so first half it is even element calculation, second half odd element calculation. Okay, then we have simplify the equation. Okay, the 2 summation products, what we have, even product and odd product, we just simplify the method by using mathematical steps, and we got, yes, it has only half process. Okay, and we have computing that DFT in DIT by using butterfly diagram. Okay, similarly in DIF, what happens, the given DFT equation, the computation of DFT equation, that is x of k is equals to summation n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 x of n Wn to the power k n. Okay, so what we are going to do, instead of going for even and odd sections, let us have another sampling concept. So what is that sampling, or what is that segmentation? So let us deal with, okay, even if you go for only 2 divisions, even element and odd element. So how many computations you are going to do? It is n by 2. Okay, so n by 2 calculations you are going to do. So why we need to go for even and odd category? Let us have once again 2 segments, 2 parts of the x of k calculation. So what we need to do here, by observing this equation, you just zoom your mobile screen, or you can easily observe what we have done here, the 2 parts, how we have done. Another testing method. Okay, let us instead of going for even and odd, go for first half and second half sequences of x of n. First half and second half of given sequence x of n. So you can easily observe that concept here. So capital X of k, the computation of DFT is dealing with the first summation product. It is for the first half of x of n. So what is that first half? From n equal to 0 to capital N by 2 minus 1, means first half. Means I am dealing with all elements of first half, n by 2, plus remaining half. What is that remaining half? Where the small n ranges from small n is equal to capital N by 2 to capital N minus 1. Means overall the summation, if you merge these two once again, what is the total answer? It is from n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1. That is pure computation of DFT. So here we have 2 halves. Okay, So first half is for first half elements of x of n sequence, and second summation is dedicated to the next half of x of n sequences. Okay. Now, once again, go for this one. What we are doing here. So I am keeping first product summation as it is, that is n is equal to 0 to capital N by 2 minus 1 x of n wn to the power kn plus what I am doing a small change here. I am just replacing, even though if you go for second half, it is dealing with only n by 2 elements only. Okay, it is dealing with n by 2 elements itself. So if I replace, how to get x of n generally? Second half. So that is x of n. I am replacing x of n by x of n plus n by 2. If I replace in the second half n by 2, what will be the answer? N plus n by 2. So whatever the n value from ranging from 0 to n by 2 minus 1, n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1, you are going to get purely second half elements of x of n itself. So because I want to once again simplify the complex equation by using mathematical steps. So but the result remains same. So if you replace n with all values from n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 for this equation, x of n plus n by 2, you are going to get what? If n equal to 0, if n equal to 0, what is the element you are going to get? It is x of n by 2. The equation remains same. Okay, there is no difference between these two equations. Only the labeling, the calculation steps are different. Okay, from n equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 x of n plus n by 2. Okay, I am replacing n by n plus n by 2, and if you go for wn to the power k of n is replaced by n plus n by 2, you are going to get the odd sequence. Okay, that odd sequence is coming out from this summation equation. That is wn to the power n k by 2. Okay, and we left with only wn to the power k n. So therefore, this product is odd in this equation. Therefore, we are putting that one outside the summation box. Okay, so go for this one. Another concept with respect to Twiddle factor. Another property with respect to Twiddle factor. So if you go for this sequence, wn to the power k capital N by 2, the overall answer for this one is minus 1 to the power k. Minus 1 to the power k. Okay. So by substituting this one, we are going to get, we just what in the second half, what we are going to do, wn to the power nk by 2 will be replaced by minus 1 to the power k. Okay. So what is the answer? So therefore, the overall x of k is equals to, so I'm just once again merging these two summations. Summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1, which is common, and from first part it is x of n plus, from the second part it is what? W minus 1 to the power k into x of n plus n by 2. Overall, it is multiplied with Twiddle factor wn to the power k n. Okay. Now, let us split decimate x of k into even and odd numbers. So what is we are talking about? The DIF, decimation in frequency. So let us decimate x of k, even and odd sequences. Okay, if you go for even section of x of k, what will be the answer? Odd elements of x of k. Okay, this equation, okay, what we have observed is 8.1.34. It is going to give the complete calculation of x of k. Now we are performing split, decimation. Okay, what is that split? I am splitting that overall x of k into even elements and odd elements. So how to get even element of x of k? You just take, instead of k, you just take all 2k values. And k ranges from 0 to n by 2 minus 1, only half. Okay, k is, so what you are going to get? When k is 0, x of 0 you are going to get. When k is 1, x of 2 you are going to get. When k is 3, x of 6 you are going to get, and you are going to get only even elements of DFT values. Okay. Similar. So if you go for that one, what will be the answer? X of 2k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1, x of n plus n by 2. Okay. So if minus 1 to the power k, what this term will be reduced to if all k values are even elements. Even elements is another 3. If k is the only even element,
1.
obviously minus 1 to the power any even number is going to give the answer as purely plus 1. So I'm just eliminating that one. Minus 1 to the power k is purely replaced by value 1. So 1 into anything is remains same. So therefore it is x of n plus n by 2 and remaining wn by 2 to the power kn, because why it is n by 2? Because we are dealing with only half elements. Okay, even element. Similarly, go for odd sequence. So for 2k plus 1, because you are going to get only when k is ranges from 0 to n by 2 minus 1. For all k values, the element what you are going to extract it is purely odd element. When k is 0, x of 1 you are going to get. When k equal to 1, x of 3, x of 5, x of 7, and goes for all k values for 0 to n by 2 minus 1. So therefore, the summation becomes what? N is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1. Once again, the x of n. So for all odd values of k, what you are going to get? The minus 1 to the power k, minus 1 to the power k, if k values are only odd sequences, odd values, then the product becomes minus 1. Therefore, we are replacing this plus symbol by minus. Okay, plus into minus 1, answer is minus 1. So minus 1 into anything is minus of that value. So minus of x of n plus n by 2, wn to the power n. Okay, this term is there. Wn to the power n into overall summation, it is wn by 2 to the power k n. Okay. That another term wn to the power n. Okay. So here we have used the factor wn2 square is nothing but wn by 2. So if we define the n by 2 point sequence as G1 and G2, so G1 will be, I'm just, it is a huge equation. Okay, let me minimize this equation. How? By using this inner, okay, parenthesis. Within the square brackets, whatever the equation is there, I'm just replacing that one by another label. So that label is G1 and G2. So G1 is even values of xn plus x of n plus n by 2. And what about G2? It is the inner product. Okay, therefore, the overall even and odd sequences of x of k are given by x of 2k. That is even sequence is nothing but n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 G1 of n into twiddle factor. Similarly, the odd sequence x of 2k plus 1 summation n is equal to 0 to n by 2 minus 1 G2 into twiddle factor. Okay. So similarly, now go for this butterfly diagram. How we need to compute this one? The butterfly diagram, once again, it has two wings and the body is nothing but the cross connection of those wings. Okay. So here A is the input, B is the input, output. It is based on butterfly calculation. So as we observed in the DIT, decimation in time, the bottom line is having two line values between nodes. Okay. So first one is the twiddle factor, another one is minus 1. Okay. So even and odd elements of butterfly outputs. So therefore, if you go for this butterfly calculation, according to these equations, the butterfly will come like this. Okay, so instead of multiplying the twiddle factor at the input line, for the second line, we are going to use that twiddle factor multiplication at the output of second line. Output of second line. Only this will be change, difference in DIT and DIF diagrams, butterfly diagrams. Okay. So this is the calculation how we are dealing with computation of DFT using DIF FFT algorithm. Okay. So under DIT calculation according to mathematical steps. First, we are going to divide the given x of k into even and odd elements of x of n. Next time x of k is first half and second half ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ನಾವು x of k ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ಇವನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ x of k ಅಂತ we are going to consider. Okay. So according to that, the butterfly diagram is having the tittle factor multiplication of second line at the output side. Okay. Now go for next. This will be the graph what you are going to observe. Okay. So exactly reverse process of DIT. So DIT is the lower combination to higher combination of the first 2-point DFT, next 4-point DFT, next 8-point DFT, and 16-point DFT, 32-point DFT. Illi reverse agutte. First higher to lower bartira. That is nothing but what? 8-point DFT. Now the diagram is going to show n equal to 8-point decimation in frequency FFT algorithm. So what it is showing, 8-point andre first 8-point is the DFT ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಿ, next 4-point is the next 2-point is. Okay, and here each line are connected to create one butterfly. Okay. Now, so the decimation time and decimation frequency. So decimal frequency input they are in sequential order. Output it will be decimated. Output is stated. You can observe here. The input is in sequence order. Input the sequence x of 0, x1, x2, x3, and output is what? It is binary inverted value of input. Binary inverted value of input. Reverse of binary. So what is that? 0. 8-point 0. Binary value of 0 is 000. So reverse of 000 is 0 only. Okay. So input 1 is there. So input element 1 is there. Binary value of 1 is what? For 3 bits it is 001. So 001, its reverse value is what? 100. So what is the output element? It is x of 100. 100 is binary. What is its decimal value? It is 4. So output what you are going to get? The reverse binary element of input. Okay, in DIF. Okay, that is the thing. So x of 2, once again it will be 2 itself. X of 3 input is there, output capital X of k sigute. Okay, in the same line. So that is the binary. This one we have discussed in the previous class. How to judge what line value. Okay, which element is coming at which point, which line. It is just input and output reverse binary value. Okay. Next example. So go for radix 2 FFT algorithm for the computation of DFT, but with the concept of decimation in frequency, DIF FFT. So the butterfly diagram is having the tittle factor for second line is mentioned at output side. Let us go for same thing. Whatever the DIT calculation we have done, same thing. Whether if I solve the same problem by using DIF. So then example 1, what I am discussing, it is the same example what we discussed in DIT, but only the calculation is different because butterfly diagram is different. Concept is different. But if I go for a mathematical step, I am going for mathematical step because it is only 2 points, so it is easy to calculate. So we have DFT of x of n, it is given by capital X of k, which is given by, according to Fourier transform, summation n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 x of n into tittle factor. And it is given n is 2 and k ranges from 0 to n minus 1. So according to that, we have the x of k is given by summation n is equal to 0 to 1 x of n of kn. Okay, let me go for expanding this summation because it has only two summing elements. So x of 0 and x of 1. Capital X of 0 will be calculated as x of 0 plus x of 1, which is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, because x of n is having values 1 and 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Let me calculate another DFT element, that is the capital X of 1, which is equals to the, once again, x of 0 plus x of 1 into W2 to the power k is also 1 and n is also 1. Therefore, it is W2 to the power 1, which is minus 1. Okay, so 1 plus 5 into minus 1, answer is minus 4. So therefore, according to mathematical step, the DFT of x of n, that is x of k, is having the element values 6, comma, minus 4. Okay, now let us calculate with the help of graphical approach, that is butterfly computation. In the butterfly computation, I need to draw the butterfly. The first line I am drawing, second line I have drawn, and put the input element values, that is x of 0 and x of 1. Okay, so we are talking about DIF, so input values are in sequential order. Okay. Next, we create the body of butterfly by cross connecting both lines. x0 is connected with x1 and x1 is connected with x0. And let me put the line values. So x of 1, the node value from input to output is minus 1, and remaining line values are purely 1. And if it is 1, we are not going to mention that line value, okay, on the line. The second line, output side, it is another line value, it is total factor W2 to the power 0, which is equals to 1. W2 to the power 0, which is nothing but 1. Okay, now calculate what is x0, capital X0, that is computation of first element of DFT. So how it is according to this butterfly approach? So here output line is summation of two input lines. So first input line is x0 and second input line is x1. So it is purely, and all line values from one node to another node, moving towards first output line. All line values are 1 only. So here it is also 1, this is also 1, this is 1, and this cross connecting line is also 1. Therefore, 1 into anything, answer remains that multiplier. Okay, so x of 0 plus x1, which is equals to x of 0. According to by substituting the value, it is 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. Similarly, calculate the second output line. That is what? It is summation of two input lines into the output total factor, which is multiplied, that is W to the power 0. So let me put the equation first. First line is x0 plus second line is x of 1. So here it is 1 from one node to another node. But what happens from second node to third node? From this node to this node, the line value is changing. That is minus 1 by minus 1. So the value of at that line becomes x1 into minus 1. So same thing I am mentioning here, x1 into minus 1. So dot means connection of two line means it is summation. So I have used summing symbol. So x of 0 plus x1 multiplied with line value minus 1. And this overall summation, okay, from the third node to actual output node. Once again, there is a change in the value. So what is the change in the value? It is W2 to the power 0 is multiplied with that input value. So input value is what? X of 0 plus x1 minus 1. So overall thing is multiplied with w to the power 0. So what is the answer? 1 plus w to the power 0 is 1. So answer is 1 plus 5 into minus 1. So answer is minus 4. Therefore, x of k is 1. X of 0 is 6 and x of 1 is minus 4. Yes, mathematically we achieved that one and graphically we have achieved. So any question in this example? So as I told, you must be perfect in cracking the or computing, calculating the butterfly node values. It is simple. How the simple it is? From moving to one node to another node, we need to multiply input value with line value. We need to multiply input value into line value. Okay. Then when at a node, number of input lines are available. All those input lines are added. The sum up of all input line values will be sum up to get that particular output node value. Okay. So this is the concept. And in this one, in in DIF, the second line of the butterfly, it is having the variation in the node values. First node value is line value is minus 1 and output side it is with the total factor. Okay. Let us go for second example. Once again, I am dealing with whatever we have discussed in DIT. Same thing, let us solve by using DIF. Find the 4-point DFT of the sequence x of n, which is given by 1, 2, 2, 1. Using radix 2 DIF FFT algorithm. Node Kottanta problem statement alli, they have mentioned, but there is no full form of that DIF. Decimation in time, decimation in frequency. So, question paper alli correct time nodri ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. He is asking DIF. Okay, change ಆಗೋದು ಇದೊಂದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ F ಮತ್ತು T. ಒಮ್ಮೊಮ್ಮೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ. F T ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, T F ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. So be careful while reading the question. Okay, F T ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, T F ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ question paper. So be careful. So let us have the solution. So obviously it is a 4-point, means it has 2 stages, stage 1 and stage 2. So what stage 1 is going to? So stage 1 is from higher filter to higher point DFT to lower point DFT. So what is that 4-point andre? First nimu barode 4-point DFT, next barode nimage 2-point DFT. Okay, so here first stage 1 and stage 2. So go for the input values. So as I said, so inputs are given in sequential fashion. So each line, there are 4 lines, x0, x1, x2 and x3. Output ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Decimated ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So input the exact binary reverse mode ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So exact binary reverse mode ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 the reverse mode ಯಾವುದು? Reverse value 0. Okay. 1 the reverse ಏನು? 4. 2 the reverse 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 3 the reverse, what you are going to? 3 reverse 0 1 1. Okay. So what we are going to get? It is 6. So what is that 6? Okay, you will come to know. It is x of 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So go for this one. X of 0, x1, x2 and x3 are the input sequences. Now let us calculate stage 1 line values and how the connection is. So in 4-point first line with the third line, second line with fourth. Okay. And what about 2 stage only? 2 stage only ಏನು problem. First line with second line and second line with first line. There is a cross connection. Okay, go for the first stage, first line output. Let me consider that one as a A. So A is equals to what are the lines are connected? It is x0 line and x2 line. First line and third line are connected together. So therefore, A is equals to, let me say it is the first stage, first output, it is A. So A is equals to x0 plus x2. So what is x0? Value is 1. And what is x2? It is 2. So 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Similarly. And the line value here, the two lines are cross connected, that is line number 2 and line number 2 and line number 4. So line number 2 is what? X1 plus x3. So and what are the line element values? 2 plus 1, which is equals to 3. Similarly, so here the third line is what? It is the bottom line for first butterfly. Okay, which is given by C is equals to the input line, that is x0, first line plus second line. That change ಆಗ್ತಾ node to node. Okay, that is moving from x2 input ಬರುವಾಗ x2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So summation point ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ minus of x2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus of, because it is multiplied with minus 1. So minus of x2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So minus x2 into minus 1. And here it is sum up. x0 plus minus of x2 is sum up. And that output is once again multiplied with twiddle factor. What is the twiddle factor? It is W4 of 0. So it is W4 of 0, it is multiplied. So W4 of 0 is 1. Because anything to the power 0 is 1. So it is, let me substitute all the values. It is x0 is 1 plus x2 is 2, which is multiplied with minus 1, which is equals to 1 minus 2. Answer is minus 1. The third line value. Similarly, calculate fourth line value. Let me represent that one as element D, output D, which is nothing but the bottom line of second butterfly in stage 1. Bottom line of second butterfly in stage 1. So therefore, it is calculated as what? Second line plus first line. So sorry, second line and fourth line. So the fourth line is changing its value. X3 is coming at the input side. At the summing point, it is become minus x3. So minus 1, it is multiplied. x1 plus x3 into minus 1, and overall sum it is multiplied with the total factor W4 of 1. W4 of 1, which is equals to minus j. So W4 of 1 is minus j. So therefore, the overall summation is what? 2 plus 1 into minus 1. The inner sum. 2 plus 1 minus 1 is 1 into minus j. So 1 into minus j is minus j is the answer. So D is minus j, C is minus 1, B is 3, and A is 3. Okay, the first stage outputs are 3, 3, minus 1, minus j. Next. So second stage is once again the two-point DFT calculation. So 2-point DFT calculation, we have already know how it will be done. So first line with second line, and the second butterfly is also first line with second line. Okay, go for this calculation. So here, what is the input and output? So for first butterfly, input is A plus B, and second butterfly is having C and D input values. So what is the first element? First output A plus B, which is equals to capital X naught, which is given by 3 plus 3. So A is also 3, B is also 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. What about second line of the first butterfly stage 2? The second line is always changing its values. Okay, so input line, first line remains as it is, A plus. What about B? So B is changing its value. B becomes, at the input side B, at the summing point it is minus B. Okay, therefore it is minus 1. So A plus B into minus 1, overall sum of values multiplied with output total factor, it is W4 of 0. W4 of 0. So therefore it is, which is nothing but what? X2. So what is the answer? It is X of 1, either the binary reverse in birthday, 2 birthday. So it is X2, which is equals to 3 plus 3 into minus 1. 3 plus 3 into minus 1 W of 0, it is 1. So it is overall answer is 0. Similarly, third line output, it is C cross connected with D. Okay, that is C plus D is equals to X1. Okay, which is nothing but minus 1 minus J. Okay, we have only 4 elements. X0 is a X1, X2 is X0, X2 are the remaining 2 odd elements. What are the 2 odd elements? X1 and X3 we left with. So X1 we have calculated minus 1 minus J, because C is minus 1 and D is minus J. So minus 1 minus J is the answer. Next, the bottom line of butterfly 2 in stage 2. It is C and D input line values, where D line is changing its value by minus D. Okay, so therefore it is C plus minus D into overall sum up is multiplied with output at total factor W4 of 0. As W4 of 0 is 1, so therefore it is C is minus 1, D is minus J into minus J. So minus J into minus 1 is plus J and plus minus 1. So minus 1 plus J is X3. Therefore, overall X of K is 1. X1, X1, X2 and X3. So therefore, X0 is 6, X1 is minus 1 minus J, and X2 is 0 and X3 is minus 1 plus J is the calculation. It is purely exact reverse operation of DIT. Okay, you must be perfect in calculation the node values. Okay. Next example, it is 8 point. Find the 8 point DFT of the sequence X of n given by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 using the DIF-FFT algorithm. Yes, I have all calculated values. 8 point andre it has 3 stages. First 8 point DFT barutte, second stage alli 4 point DFT barutte, third stage alli 2 point DFT. So 2 point DFT andre first line second line, 4 point DFT andre first line third line, 8 point DFT andre first line fifth line. Okay, purely half of first line with second line, like that. Okay, so if you go for, so as the DIF means input sequence output binary reverse order level. So go for, so inputs are what? X0, X1, X2, X3, all 8 lines with the line values 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8. Okay, and how the 8 point DFT for DFT calculation is: first line connected with fifth line, second line with sixth line, and third line with seventh line, and fourth line with eighth line to create one butterfly. Okay, and all bottom lines of each butterfly are minus 1 and output is W8 to the power the total factor. So according to 8 point, the total factors are all half, that is W8 of 0, W8 of 1, W8 of 2 and W8 of 3. So nalake bartade because the remaining are just duplicated. Similarly, the 2 point DFT, 4 point DFT idre, the total factors are only 2. 4 point ittandre, that is 0 and 2. The power of total factor is 0 and 2 irutte. 4 point idre, the power is 0, 1, 2, 3 irutte, total factor is. Akasmat 16 point ittandre, the total factor values of powers are 0 to 8, 0 to 7 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so 2 point ittandre, it has only one power of total factor is 0. 2 point DFT ittandre. Okay, so at the third stage, all fill factors are what? Only one butterfly. So each butterfly is what? Fill factor 2-point DFT irodinta, it is powers are 0. In the second stage, it is 4-point DFT. So we have two 4-point DFTs, first and second. So the fill factors are only two values, 0 and 2. Clear? So by performing all calculations we have, the calculation is end with x0 36, x4 minus 4, or if I go for x0, x1, x2, x3, it will be what? 36 minus 4 plus j 9.6, then x3 is x2 is minus 4 plus 4j, x3 is minus 4 plus j 1.6, and x4 is minus 4, x5 minus 4 minus j 1.6, then x6 is minus 4 minus 4j, and x7 is minus 4 minus j 9.6. Okay, so this is the overall calculation of 8-point DFT. So any doubt in all the three examples? Obviously, you need some practice on these things. So that will be your assignment work for this week. And these are fixed questions for 10 marks. Okay, if they ask 4-point DFT, the previous example, it will be for 6 marks. Okay, so 4-point DFT calculation is for 6 points and 6 marks, and the 8-point DFT is used for calculation is going to get 10 marks. Okay, 10 or sometimes 8 marks based on the question complexity, but maximum marks that is 8 to 10. 2-point they won't ask. They ask either 4-point or 8-point. Maximum times they ask only 8-point. 4-point 8-point they are going to ask, because it need a calculation of 8-point, 3 stages, and maximum calculation. Minimum 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ to get 10 marks. Fast ಇದ್ರೆ 10 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸಬಹುದು, but put graph neatly. Okay, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು rotate that one by 90 degree. I hope it is clear how to draw this diagram. Then perform the calculations. Okay, so ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. So you just observe this one, how they are done. Okay, is there any calculation it is showing? Actually in the previous I have done the calculations there with equations. Okay, I am doing calculations here, but don't do calculations here on the line. Do okay at the bottom, or do it in the rough page ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. in the answer sheet I am talking about. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಲಿಸ್ತೇನಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಹಂಗ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು, ನಿಮ್ ತಲೆ ಏನು ಓಡಿಸಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. Okay, by seeing your notes only, I have written the equation number 8.1.3. You written notes as 8.1.3. Copy paste ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you just following what teacher is telling you, because you are a nursery student, no, you don't have any brain. Yes, teacher is telling first line is the twinkle twinkle. Yes, you are reading that twinkle twinkle. You don't know what is the meaning and you don't know what is that. So just by hearting. Okay, by hearting, getting the LKG result as 100%. Okay, student is good, child is good for the parent. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಯಾವಷ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ್ರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಯಾಟ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಿದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಯಾಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. Same thing you are doing. Don't do that one. You just check all your written notes. You are just copy pasting my content. No involvement your end. ಅದನ್ನ ಹಂಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, I am using here the first stage outputs are A, B, C, D. You can take different no S1, S2, S3, S4 ಅಂತ ತಗೋರಿ ನೀವು. S1 equal to here you can write S1 equal to X0 plus X2. S2 is equal to X1 plus X3. S3, S4 like that. You and your understanding. Just to put extra effort in this manner. Okay, just to copy paste ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬಹಳ ಏನೇನು ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. Nothing you are going to get. Okay. Understanding is no issue. There is no problem with the understanding. Okay. Understanding is a ill antala. The thing is, you just add your effort. Okay, and let it display that one in your writing. Yes, I am doing my work. Like that. Let us go for. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು DFT ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನನಗೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೀಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್. ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಕೊಡಬಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 0 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಾಗತ್ತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು DFT ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಟ್ವಿಡಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪವರ್. ಟ್ವಿಡಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ W8 of 0 ಇದೆ, W8 of 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. W8 of 1 ಇರೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, W8 of -1, -2, -3. ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ನೌ. So although the FFT algorithm, I think you are getting it. We are going for reverse process, that is computation of IDFT. There is no example on this one. Exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲಕ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಸಲ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಈ ಸಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ IDFT, how the process remains same. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್, ಈ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಷ್ಟೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 1/n ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ನೀವು 1/n ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1/n ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ಟ್ವಿಡಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನ ಪವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ DIT ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ DIF. ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ನ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 1/n ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಚ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ನ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಈಚ್ n equal to 0. ಸೊ n equal to 0 ಇಟ್ ವಾಟ್ 1/n into summation of this one. So 1/n. ಸೊ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಬಂದಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ n ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ minus of power. So same thing we are talking about here. Presented in the content, the computing of DFT efficiently, they can also be used to compute IDFT, which is x of n is equal to 1/n summation k equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k into Wn to the power minus kn. The only difference between two transforms is normalized by 1/n and sign of the phase factor. 1/n and phase factor is the difference. Therefore, the FFT algorithm are for computing the DFT can also be converted to an FFT algorithm to computing IDFT by changing the sign of the phase factor and dividing the final output by n. So how is it? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಂದಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ n ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು 8 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 8. ಸೊ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 8. ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 8 ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ -1, -2, -3. Here also it is -2, -2. The inputs are x of k and outputs are x of n. It may be DIT or it may be DIF. Okay. That is the thing. So this ends your Radix 2 FFT algorithm for computation of DFT and IDFT.